Today's episode in the mini-series is about Marlin. Marlin was sent to go pull some heavy trains with Henry and Hank. Soon Marlin met a new engine. Hi, I'm James. Hello, I'm Marlin. You have 3 funnels. 1, 2, 3. Stop it. I'm not done. Stop. Oh, sorry. Well, I need to go. Wait, I can become invisible because I have 3 funnels. Ready? Watch this. What? Invisibility on. I can still see you. What? You can? Something's wrong with your eyes. Let me try again. Invisibility on. I can still see you. On the main line, Marlin met another new engine. And I don't even know why it's called the main line because there's no track. Hello, I'm Duck. Who are you? I'm Marlin. Ooh, 3 funnels. Unique. I like it. I'm unique too because I waddle. See, I'm waddling. That's terrific. I can become invisible. Watch this. Invisibility on. What? What was that? Maybe you didn't hear me correctly. Invisibility on. What the heck? I'm out of here. Darn it. Marlin was about to give up being invisible when he met another new engine. Hello, mi amigo. How may I help you today? Hello, I'm Marlin. I can become invisible. Interesting, my friend. I've never heard that before. Ready? Invisibility on. Not exactly, but I'm pretty sure we can fix it. Come with me, my friend. Okay. 1 hour later. Oh, hello again. 3 funnels. It's not funny. Stop it. I can become invisible. No, you cannot. Yes, I can. Watch this. Invisibility on. What the? Oh dear. Where'd he go? Hello again. What? That's crazy. Yes, I can actually become invisible. Oh, I'm so happy. All thanks to the help of my new friend, Victor. What, Victor? Hello, mis amigos. How may I help you today? You guys realize you were in the Steamworks, right? Oh, wow, I'm not broken. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Yes, you are. Come back. Awkwardness intensifies.